Hello guys, in today's task we are going to install the HTTPD package on all the servers, and we are going to log rotate. Using log rotate we are going to configure this as to run by monthly only to keep the 3 rotated logs. So this is what we are going to do. So I have already configured for the first server. So let's directly do for the second server. Let's install this HTTPD. So now we have successfully installed this one. So now we have to configure this log rotate. So where you can find this log rotate for this HTTPD. So I'm going to show you where is this file as usual /etc. After that we have this log rotate. So this is where the file is present. So this is the file we need to edit. So let's go inside and we'll start edit. Vi space etc. Okay, so they want to keep this for 3 rotated logs and it should be in monthly. So what we can do is we can came here. Let's insert this, enter monthly, rotate value will be 3. You can see that I have already configured the first server. It is the same. So it is done. Escape. Service is dead. We are going to restart it. Okay, now it is done. The same way I'm going to do for the third server also. As usual, I will speed up this process. Now we have successfully configured this. Let's check this. Task is successful, guys. We'll see you in next video.